We know scheduling repairs can be a challenge when your only communication options are sending emails and making phone calls. That's why we created maintenance scheduling, a feature that enables maintenance coordinators to create workflows that efficiently manage their service tech schedules in Rent Manager. Our solution lets you schedule maintenance requests for specific blocks of time and assign them to technicians based on their availability. Once assigned, each maintenance tech can view their schedule directly from their mobile device. What's more, residents can use their online portal or mobile app to select available time slots to schedule service requests on their own, saving you valuable time. Throughout the process, you'll receive automated notifications when requests are created, scheduled, confirmed, and closed, keeping you informed at all times. Maintenance coordinators can also use the schedule board to add new service issues, address unscheduled requests, use drag and drop functionality to move or reorder existing issues, show and hide closed items, and more. Take charge of your maintenance coordination today with maintenance scheduling in Rent Manager.